Hey everyone, in this video I will explain few solutions to fix the following error. Let's get started. We need to uninstall Roblox from our computer. So to do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up Run. Type in there appwiz.cpl and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here you need to uninstall the Roblox player. Once you uninstall it, open up your search bar and type in there % local app data % and hit enter. In here look for Roblox folder and open it up. Next open up versions folder. Versions folder again. Look for Roblox player launcher and double click on it to run it. This should resolve the issue. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.